হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু মাই চ্যানেল। আজকে আমি তোমাদের খুরমি গুপ্তা বই থেকে কংক্রিট টেকনোলজির এমসিকিউ কোশ্চেনগুলো আলোচনা করব। তো চলো শুরু করা যাক। কোশ্চেন নম্বর 1, দ্য প্র্যাকটিক্যাল ইউটিলিটি অফ কংক্রিট টেকনোলজি ফর সিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং ইজ টু অপশন এ enable them to know how to stock properly the materials required for concrete, right? Option B, enable them to perform different tests concerning concrete, right? Option C, make them conversant with the fundamental principle of concrete, right? Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 2, the strength and durability of concrete depends upon option A, size of aggregate, option B, grading of aggregates, option C, moisture contents of aggregates, option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 3, the breaking up of cohesion in a mass of concrete is called segregation, option C is the right answer. Question number 4, the workability of concrete is defined as the ease with which it can be mixed, transported and placed in position in a homogeneous state. Option A is the right answer. Question number 5. The separation of water or water cement mixture from the freshly mixed concrete is known as bleeding. Option A is right answer, true. Question number 6. The continuous strain which the concrete undergoes due to application of external loads is called creep. Option D is the right answer. Question number 7. A good concrete should be subjected to minimum creep. Option B is the right answer. Question number 8. Segregation in concrete results in honeycombing, porous layer, surface scaling. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 9. Harshness in concrete is due to the excess of middle sized particle. Option C is the right answer. Harshness is the roughness or resistance offered by the concrete to its surface finishing. Question number 10. In order to avoid segregation, the concrete should not be thrown from a height of 1 meter. Option A is the right answer. Agree. Question number 11. In lime concrete, lime is used as binding material. Option C is the right answer. Question number 12. The type of lime used in lime concrete is hydraulic lime. Option D is the right answer. Question number 13. A good concrete should have minimum thermal expansion. Option A is correct answer. Question number 14. The lime concrete has less strength as compared to cement concrete. Option A is the right answer. Question number 15. The usual proportion of ingredients in plain cement concrete is. Option A is the right answer. Portland cement 1 part, clean sand 1.5 to 8 parts, and coarse aggregate 3 to 16 parts. Question number 16. The usual proportion of ingredients in reinforced cement concrete is. Option B is the right answer. Portland cement 1 part, clean sand 1 to 2 parts, and coarse aggregate 2 to 4 parts. Question number 17. Ferro concrete is another name given to the reinforced cement concrete. Option B is the right answer. Question number 18. Reinforced cement concrete is equally strong in taking tensile, compressive and shear stresses. Option C is the right answer. Question number 19. Plain cement concrete is strong in taking compressive stresses. Option B is the right answer. Question number 20. In flooring of building, pre-stressed cement concrete is commonly used. No pre-stressed concrete used in railway sleepers, bridges, water tanks, etc. Option B is the right answer. Question number 21. The cement concrete in which high compressive stresses are artificially induced before its actual use is called pre-stressed concrete. Option C is the right answer. Question number 22. The pre-stressed cement concrete can take up high tensile and compressive stresses without development of cracks. Option A is right answer. Correct. Question number 23. For heat and sound insulation purposes, we shall use air entrained concrete. The concrete in which we artificially introduce air by means of air entering agents is called air entrained concrete. And the concrete in which the excess water is removed by vacuum pressure after placement of concrete structural member is known as vacuum concrete. And the concrete is made by addition of sawdust is called sawdust concrete. In this type of concrete, the dry sawdust is used to replace the fine aggregate. Question number 24. The cement concrete from which entrant air and excess water are removed after placing it in position is called vacuum concrete. Option A is the right answer. Question number 25. The removal of excess air after placing concrete helps in increasing the strength of concrete by 15 to 20%. Option A is the right answer. Question number 26. The cement concrete concrete prepared by mixing aluminum in it is called air entrant concrete, cellular concrete, aerated concrete. Option D is the right answer, any one of these. Question number 27. The lightweight concrete is prepared by, option B is the right answer, mixing coke, bridge, cinder or slag as aggregate in the concrete. Question number 28. The sound absorption coefficient of lightweight concrete is nearly twice than that of ordinary concrete. Option A is the right answer. Question number 29. In making precast structural units for partition and wall lining purposes, the concrete should be lightweight concrete. Option C is the right answer. Question number 30. Cement concrete is impermeable to moisture. Option B is the right answer. Question number 31. Which of the following statement is wrong? Option A, the concrete cannot be pumped. No, it can be. Option B, the concrete should have a maximum creep. No, it should not have. Option C, the concrete structures can be put to use immediately after their construction. No. So option D is the right answer. All of these statements are wrong. Question number 32. The characteristics which makes the concrete a versatile and widely used material of modern construction is the possibility of, option A, controlling the properties of concrete by using appropriate ingredients, right? Option B, molding the concrete in any desired shape, right? Option C, complete the mechanization of concrete preparation and its placing process, right? Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 33. The concrete without any reinforcement has low tensile strength. Question number 34. Segregation of concrete increases the strength of concrete. No. Option B is the right answer. Question number 35. The material used as an aggregate of concrete is usually cement, aggregate, water. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 36. A suitable admixture added at the time of preparing concrete mix makes the concrete waterproof, acid proof, highly strong. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 37. The function of aggregates in concrete is to serve as filler. Option B is the right answer. Question number 38. The calcareous material used in the manufacture of cement consists of limestone, chalk, shells. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 39. In the manufacture of cement, the dry or wet mixture of calcareous and argillaceous material is burnt in a rotary kiln. Option C is the right answer. Question number 40. In the manufacture of cement, the dry or wet mixture of calcareous and argillaceous material is burnt at a temperature between 1500 degrees Celsius to 1600 degrees Celsius. Option D is the right answer. Question number 41. Argillaceous materials contain alumina as their major constituent. Option C is the right answer. Question number 42. Hydration of cement involves heat. Option A is the right answer, true. Question number 43. The proportion of lime, silica, alumina and iron oxide in a good Portland cement should be. Option A is the right answer, 63, 22, 6 and 3. Question number 44. The chemical ingredient of cement which provides quick setting property to cement is alumina. Option C is the right answer. Question number 45. The presence of lime in cement makes the cement sound, provides strength to the cement, lowers the clinkering temperature. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 46. The gypsum is added to the cement for controlling the initial setting time of cement. Option B is the right answer. Question number 47. Which of the following ingredient of cement when added in excess quantity causes the cement to set slowly? Option B is the right answer, silica. Question number 48. Lime when added in excess quantity makes the cement unsound, right? Option B causes the cement to expand and disintegrate, right? Option C lowers the clinkering temperature of cement. No. Option D is the right answer, both A and B. Question number 49. The magnesium oxide and sulfur dioxide when added in excess quantity makes the cement unsound. Option A is right answer, correct. Question number 50. In order to provide color, hardness and strength to the cement, the ingredient used is iron oxide. Option D is the right answer. Question number 51. Alumina in cement lowers the clinkering temperature. Option A is right answer, agree. Question number 52. After the final grinding, cement is sieved through IS sieve number 9, that is 90 micron. Option A is right answer. Question number 53. The change of state of cement paste from fluid to solid is called hardening. Option A is right answer. Question number 54. Efflorescence in cement is caused due to the excess of alkalis. Option C is the right answer. Question number 55. The presence of tricalcium silicate in cement hydrates more rapidly. Option A is the right answer. Question number 56. The presence of dicalcium silicate in cement. Option A hydrates the cement slowly. Right. Option B generates less heat of hydration. Right. Option C has more resistance to sulfate attack. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 57. The tricalcium aluminate in cement has the property of reacting fast with water, causing initial setting of cement, generating large amount of heat of hydration. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 58. The tetracalcium aluminum ferrite in cement has poor cementing value. Option B is the right answer. Question number 59. High percentage of dicalcium silicate and low percentage of dicalcium silicate in cement results in rapid hardening, high early strength, high heat generation. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 60. Low percentage of tricalcium silicate and high percentage of dicalcium silicate in cement result in rapid hardening, high early strength, high heat generation. Option D is the right answer. None of these, because it is for high percentage of tricalcium silicate and low percentage of dicalcium silicate in cement. Question number 61. The first compound which reacts with water when mixed with cement is tricalcium aluminate. Option A is right answer. Correct. Question number 62. Tricalcium silicate develops strength in cement for first 7 days. Option A is right answer. Yes. Question number 63. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. The high early strength is obtained by adding tricalcium silicate in cement. Right. Option B. The dicalcium silicate provides good ultimate strength to the cement. Right. Option C. Tetracalcium aluminum ferrite has poor cementing value. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 64. The sum of percentage of tricalcium silicate and dicalcium silicate for Portland cement varies from 70 to 80%. Option C is the right answer. Tricalcium silicate 40% and dicalcium silicate 32%. So option C is the right answer, 70 to 80%. Question number 65. Ordinary Portland cement should not be used for construction work exposed to sulfates in the soil. Option A is right answer. Agree. Question number 66. The rate of hydration is directly proportional to the generation of heat. Option A is the right answer. Question number 67. Rapid hardening cement is used. Option A, where high early strength is desired. Right. Option B, where formwork is to be removed as early as possible. Right. Option C, for constructing road pavements. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 68. Low heat cement is used in thick structures. Option B is the right answer. Question number 69. The cement widely used in retaining wall is low heat cement. Option B is the right answer. Question number 70. Blast furnace slag cement is used for dams, retaining walls, bridge abutments. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 71. Blast furnace slag cement concrete requires more time for shuttering and curing. Option B is the right answer. Question number 72. Low heat cement contains more lime than ordinary Portland cement. No. Option B is the right answer. Question number 73. Blast furnace slag cement. Option A develops low heat of hydration. Right. Option B has less early strength. Right. Option C has high heat of hydration. No. Option D has high early strength. No. Option A and B both are right. Question number 74. Which of the following cement is expected to have highest compressive strength after 3 days? Option C is the right answer. High alumina cement. Question number 75. For a structure subjected to the action of seawater, the cement used is sulfate resisting cement. Option D is the right answer. Question number 76. The strength of concrete using air entrance cement gets reduced by 10 to 15%. Option B is the right answer. Question number 77. Colocrete is the commercial term for colored cement. Option B is the right answer. Question number 78. Pozzolana is essentially a siliceous material containing clay up to 80%. Option D is the right answer. Question number 79. In the manufacture of pozzolana cement, the amount of pozzolana material added to ordinary Portland cement clinker is about 30%. Option B is the right answer. Question number 80. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A, sulfate resisting cement is particularly used for canal lining. Right. Option B, low heat cement should not be used for thin concrete structures. Right. Option C, rapid hardening cement should not be used for massive concrete structures. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 81. Match the correct answer from group B for the statements given in the group A. In group A, option A, Bhakra Dam was constructed with pozzolana cement. Option capital C. In group B. In group A, option B, the cement used for chemical plant is high alumina cement. Option capital D is the right answer. In group B. In group A, option C, the cement not to be used in a thin RCC structure is blast furnace slag cement. Option capital A in Group B. In Group A, option D, the cement used for marine work is sulfate resisting cement. Option capital B is the right answer in Group B. Question number 82. The degree of grinding of cement is called fineness. Option A is the right answer. Question number 83. The hardening is the phenomenon by virtue of which the cement paste sets and develops strength. Option C is the right answer. Question number 84. The phenomenon by virtue of which the cement does not undergo large change in volume and when treated with water is known as soundness. Option B is the right answer. Question number 85. The fineness of cement is measured in terms of option A, percentage weight retained on IS sheet number 9. Option B, surface area in centimeter square per gram of the cement. Option C is the right answer of either A or B. Question number 86. Too much fineness of cement. Option A, results cracks in concrete. Option B, generates greater heat. Right. Option C, develops early strength. No. Option D is the right answer, both A and B. Question number 87. The setting time of cement is governing factor for mixing of concrete, placing of concrete, compaction of concrete. Option D is the right answer, all of this. Question number 88. According to IS 269/1976, the requirement of an ordinary Portland cement is that option A, the residue does not exceed 10% when shipped through IS ship number 9. Right. Option B, its expansion is not more than 10 mm for unaerated cement. Right. Option C, its initial setting time is not less than 30 minutes. Right. Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 89. The compressive strength of an ordinary Portland cement 1:3 cement sand mortar cube after 7 days should not be less than 17.5 Newton per millimeter square. Option B is the right answer, and 11.5 Newton per millimeter square in 3 days. Question number 90. Vickers apparatus is used to perform consistency test. Option C is the right answer. Question number 91. The knowledge of a standard consistency of a cement paste is essential to perform option A, setting time test, soundness test, compressive strength test. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 92. In Vickers apparatus, the diameter of Vickers plunger is 10 mm. Option B is the right answer. Question number 93. The length of Vickers plunger in Vickers apparatus varies from 40 to 50 mm. Option C is the right answer. Question number 94. The percentage of water for making a cement paste of normal consistency varies from 25 to 35%. Option B is the right answer. Question number 95. To perform the initial setting time test, the water is added to the cement at the rate of 0.78 p by the weight of cement, where p is the percentage of water required for normal consistency paste. Question number 96. Lee Catalier apparatus is used to perform soundness test. Option B is the right answer. Question number 97. To perform the soundness test, the water is added to the cement at the rate of 0.72 p by the weight of cement, where p is the percentage of water required for normal consistency paste. Option A is the right answer, correct. Question number 98. To perform the compressive strength test of cement, water is added at the rate of P by 4 plus 3% of water. Option C is the right answer, where P is the percentage of water required for normal consistency paste. Question number 99. The initial setting time of ordinary Portland cement is 30 minutes. Option B is the right answer. Question number 100. For performing the compressive strength test of cement, the size of cube mold should be 7.06 centimeters side. Option A is the right answer. Question number 101. According to Indian standard specification for compressive strength test of cement, the cement and sand mortar ratio 1:3 is used. Option C is the right answer. Question number 102. The cubes of cement prepared for compressive test should be kept at a temperature of 27 degree plus minus 2 degree Celsius in an atmosphere of at least 90% relative humidity for 24 hours. Option C is the right answer. Question number 103. During field test, the cement is said to be pure of good quality when option A, the color of cement is uniformly greenish gray. Right. Option B, a handful of cement thrown into a bucket of water floats. Right. Option C, hand is thrusted into a bag of cement, it feels cold. Right. Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 104. The inert material used for manufacture of mortars and concrete is aggregate. Option C is the right answer. Question number 105. According to IS 383/1970, a good aggregate of concrete construction should be chemically inert, sufficiently strong, sufficiently hard and durable. Option D is the right answer, all of this. Question number 106. For reinforced concrete, the aggregate used is sand, gravel, crushed rock. Option D is the right answer, all of this. Question number 107. For manufacture of concrete of low density, the aggregate used is furnace, clinker, coke, bridge, sawdust. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 108. The material having particle size varying from 0.002 to 0.06 mm is treated as sealed. Option A is the right answer. Question number 109. An aggregate is said to be cyclopean aggregate if its size is more than 75 mm. Question number 110. The aggregate which pass through 75 mm IS sieves and entirely written on 4.75 mm IS sieves is known as coarse aggregate. Option B is the right answer. Question number 111. The maximum particle size of coarse aggregate is 75 mm. Option D is the right answer. Question number 112. The maximum particle size of fine aggregate is 4.75 mm. Option B is the right answer. Question number 113. The aggregate which pass through 4.75 mm IS sieve and entirely written on 75 micron IS sieve is called fine aggregate. Option C is the right answer. Question number 114. The minimum particle size of coarse aggregate is 4.75 mm. Option B is the right answer. Question number 115. The minimum particle size of fine aggregate is 0.075 mm. Option number B is the right answer. Question number 116. The aggregates of rounded shape have minimum voids. Option C is the right answer. Question number 117. The aggregates of angular shape have maximum voids. Option B is the right answer. Question number 118. The size of an aggregate is determined by length gauge. Option A is the right answer. Question number 119. The aggregates of rounded shape requires minimum cement paste to make good concrete. Option A is right answer. True. Question number 120. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Maximum size of coarse aggregate should not exceed 1/4 of the minimum dimension of plain concrete member. Right. Option B. The maximum size of coarse aggregate should not exceed 1/5 of the minimum dimension of the reinforced concrete member. Right. Option C. The aggregates of 40 mm, 20 mm and 10 mm sizes are commonly used for concrete works. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 121. The aggregate is said to be flaky when its least dimension is 3/5 of its mean dimension. Option A is the right answer. Question number 122. The aggregate is said to be elongated when its length is equal to 1.8 times its mean dimension. Option D is the right answer. Question number 123. If the aggregate completely passes through a 50 mm sieve and written on 40 mm sieve, then the particular aggregate is said to be flaky if its least dimension is less than 27 mm. Option A is the right answer. Question number 124. In the above question, the particular aggregate is said to be elongated if its length is not less than 81 mm. Question number 125. Bulk specific gravity of an aggregate is defined as the weight of open dry aggregate divided by its absolute volume including the natural force in the fine aggregates particles. Option B is the right answer. Question number 126. The apparent specific gravity of an aggregate is defined as the weight of open dry aggregate divided by its absolute volume excluding the natural force in the aggregate particles. Option A is the right answer. Question number 127. The bulk density of an aggregate is the weight required to fill a container of unit volume. Option A is the right answer. Agree. Question number 128. The value of bulk density for angular and flaky aggregate is less as compared to graded aggregates. Option B is the right answer. Question number 129. The value of bulk density of aggregate depends upon size, distribution of aggregate, shape of aggregate, specific gravity of aggregate. Option D is the right answer. All of this. Question number 130. An aggregate which may contain some moisture in the pores but having dry surface is known as dry aggregate. Option B is the right answer. Question number 131. An aggregate having all the pores filled with water but having dry surface is called saturated surface dry aggregate. An aggregate which do not contain any moisture in the pores as well as in surfaces known as very dry aggregate. Aggregates whose pores are filled with water and the surfaces are also wet known as moist aggregate. Question number 132. A moist aggregate is one whose all pores are filled with water and also having its surface wet. Option A is the right answer. Question number 133. The surface moisture of aggregate increases the water cement ratio in the mix and thus decreases the strength. Option B is the right answer. Question number 134. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Larger the size of coarse aggregate, lesser is the quantity of fine aggregate and of cement required. Right. Option B. If very dry aggregates are used, workability of mix is likely to be reduced. Right. Option C. Bulking is caused due to the formation of thin film of surface moisture around the sand. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 135. The deleterious material present in aggregate. Option A. Prevent normal hydration of cement. Right. Option B. Reduces strength of durability of concrete. Right. Option C. Modify the setting action and cause efflorescence. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 136. The sum of percentage of all deleterious material in the aggregate shall not exceed 5%. Option A is the right answer. Question number 137. The resistance of an aggregate to the compressive force is known as crushing value. Option A is the right answer. Question number 138. The resistance of an aggregate to sudden compressive forces is called impact value. Option A is the right answer. Question number 139. 139. The resistance of an aggregate to wear is known as crushing value. Option B is the right answer. Question number 140. The resistance of an aggregate to the effect of hydration of cement and weather is called soundness. Option D is the right answer. Question number 141. Los Angeles machine is used to perform the abrasion resistance test of an aggregate. Option A is the right answer. Question number 142. The impact value of an aggregate is generally used as an alternative to its crushing value. To know the quality of aggregate, option A is the right answer. Yes. Question number 143. Bulking of sand is the increase in volume of sand due to presence of moisture up to the certain extent. Option C is the right answer. Question number 144. With the moisture content of 5 to 10% by weight, the bulking of sand is increased by 50%. Option D is the right answer. Question number 145. When the sand is fully saturated, its volume is equal to the volume of dry and loose sand. Option A is the right answer. Question number 146. The ratio of volume of moisture sand to the volume of dry sand is known as bulking factor. Option C is the right answer. Question number 147. Fine sand bulks more than coarse sand. Option B is the right answer because fine sand has more surface area. Question number 148. The fineness modulus of an aggregate is roughly proportional to the average size of particle in the aggregate. Option C is the right answer. Question number 149. The coarser the aggregate, the higher is the fineness modulus. Option A is the right answer. Question number 150. The value of fineness modulus for fine sand may range between 2.2 to 2.6, medium sand 2.6 to 2.9, and coarse sand 2.9 to 3.2. Option D is the right answer. Question number 151. If the fineness modulus of sand is 3, then the sand is graded as coarse sand. Option D is the right answer. Question number 152. The percentage of fine aggregate to be combined with coarse aggregate X is determined by. Option C is the right answer. X equal to F2 minus F divided by F minus F1 into 100, where F is the fineness modulus according to the specified grading of A, and F1 is the fineness modulus of fine aggregate and F2 is the fineness modulus of coarse aggregate. Question number 153. The presence of sodium carbonate and bicarbonate in water has an adverse effect on the setting time of cement. Option A is the right answer. Question number 154. The presence of calcium chloride in water accelerates the setting time of cement. Option A is the right answer. Question number 155. The admixture are added in concrete to. Option A accelerate the rate of setting and hardening of cement. Right. Option B makes the concrete waterproof, acid proof, etc. Right. Option C reduce the bleeding and segregation of concrete mix. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 156. Water cannot be used as a lubricant in the concrete mix. No, water can be used as lubricant. Answer. Question number 157. If seawater is used for preparing concrete mix, it reduces strength, corrodes steel reinforcement, and causes efflorescence. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 158. If mineral oil is present in mixing water for concrete, it increases strength for a concentration up to 2%. Option A is the right answer. Question number 159. Which of the following statement is wrong? Option A. The coarse sand produces harsh and unworkable mix. Right. Option B. An admixture cannot increase the workability of concrete without increasing the water content. Wrong. Option C. Salts of manganese cause a considerable reduction in the strength of concrete. Right. Option B is the wrong answer in this question. Question number 160. The standard sand now used in India is obtained from Ennore, Chennai. Option A is the right answer. Question number 161. Insufficient quantity of water. Option A makes the concrete harsh. Right. Option B makes the concrete mix unworkable. Right. Both option A and B are right. Question number 162. Excess quantity of water causes bleeding in concrete. Option D is the right answer. Question number 163. Water cement ratio may be defined as the ratio of weight of water to that of cement in a concrete mix. Option B is the right answer. Question number 164. The rule of water cement ratio was established by Duff Abram. Option A is the right answer. Question number 165. According to the rule of water cement ratio, the strength of concrete wholly depends upon the amount of water used in the preparation of concrete mix. Option C is the right answer. Question number 166. The strength of cement concrete increases with the increase of water cement ratio. No, it decreases. Question number 167. The cement concrete having water cement ratio less than 0.45 by weight causes honeycomb structure. No. Option B is the right answer. Question number 168. Hydration of cement is due to the chemical action of water with dicalcium silicate, tricalcium aluminate. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 169. The development of first 28 days strength is on account of hydration of tricalcium silicate. Option B is the right answer. Option A. Strength of concrete will be less. Right. Option B. Durability of concrete will be less. Right. Option C. Capillary voids will be more in the physical structure of the hydrated cement. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 171. Water cement ratio is usually expressed in. Option A is the right answer. Liters of water required per bag of cement. Question number 172. High temperature decreases setting time of cementing concrete. Option B is the right answer. Question number 173. Concrete mix is said to be workable if it has compatibility, movability, stability. Option D is the right answer. Question number 174. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Abraham's law is valid only when the concrete is of workable plasticity. Correct. Option B. If the water cement ratio is less, the strength of concrete will be less. No, it will be high. Option C. The strength of concrete decreases with age. No, the strength of concrete increases with age. Option D. A rich mix of concrete provides lower strength than a lean mix. No. So option A is the right answer for this question. Question number 175. At freezing point, the concrete sets easily. No. Option B is the right answer. Question number 176. The internal friction between ingredients of concrete is minimized by option A adopting coarse aggregates, right? Option B using more water, right? Option C reducing the surface area, right? Option D is the right answer all of these. Question number 177. For the improvement of workability of concrete, the shape of aggregate recommended is rounded aggregate. Option C is the right answer because it has minimum voids. Question number 178. Smaller size aggregates require less quantity of water for lubrication. No, in case of smaller size aggregates, the surface area will be large and the water demand will be high. So option B is the right answer. Question number 179. Grading of aggregates should be continuous for lean mixes. Option A is the right answer. Question number 180. The use of air entraining agents in concrete increases workability of concrete, decreases bleeding, decreases strength. Option D is the right answer all of this. Question number 181. The workability of concrete is expressed by Plum test, compacting factor test. Of both option B and C right answer. Question number 182. The workability of concrete can be improved by adding hydrated lime, fly ash, calcium chloride. Option D is the right answer all of this. Question number 183. The steel mold used for slam test is in the form of a frustum of a cone. Option C is the right answer. Question number 184. The top diameter, bottom diameter and height of the mold used for slam test are respectively 100 mm, 200 mm and 300 mm. Option A is the right answer. Question number 185. In the slam test, the maximum size of aggregate should not exceed 38 mm. Option A is the right answer. Correct. Question number 186. For high degree of workability, the slam value should vary between 80 to 100 mm. Option D is the right answer. Degree of workability very low, where slump in mm 0 to 25 mm, compacting factor 0.75 to 0.80 and VB time in second 20 to 10 seconds. Degree of workability low is the slump value in mm is 25 to 50 mm, compacting factor value 0.80 to 0.85 mm and VB time in second 10 to 5 seconds. Degree of workability of concrete is medium. The slam value in mm is the 50 to 75 mm, compacting factor value 0.85 to 0.92 and VB time in seconds is 5 to 2 seconds. And the degree of workability high concrete, the slam value 75 to 150 mm, compacting factor is greater than 0.92 and VB time in seconds is 2 to 0 seconds. Question number 187. For high degree of workability, the compacting factor is 0.95. Option D is the right answer, which is greater than 0.92. Question number 188. Workability of concrete mix having very low water cement ratio should be obtained by compacting factor test. Option C is the right answer. Question number 189. Vibrated concrete needs less slam values. Option A is the right answer. Question number 190. Concrete with higher compression factor has less workability. Option A is the right answer. True. Question number 191. The workability of concrete by slam test is expressed as mm. Option D is the right answer. Question number 192. The slam test of concrete is used to measure its consistency. Option A is the right answer. Question number 193. The compacting factor is the ratio of weight of partially compacted concrete to the weight of fully compacted concrete. Option A is the right answer. Question number 194. If the slam of concrete is mix is 70 mm, its workability is considered to be medium. Option C is the right answer. Question number 195. A compaction factor 0.88 indicates that the workability of concrete mix is medium. Option C is the right answer. Question number 196. The VB test is suitable for concrete mixes of low and very low workabilities. Option A is the right answer. Question number 197. Which of the following statement is correct? Option A. Harshness in concrete mix increases if the finer aggregate to fill the voids in coarser aggregates are less. Right. Option B. As the internal friction of the aggregates increases, the workability of concrete decreases. Right. Option C. As the slam value increases, workability of concrete also increases. Right. Option D is the right answer all of the above. Question number 198. More water should not be added in the concrete mix so as to increase the water cement ratio. Option C is the right answer. Question number 199. The main object of proportioning concrete is to obtain required strength and workability, desired durability, water tightness. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 200. As per IS 459 1978, the concrete mixes are designated into 7 grades that are M10, M15, M20, M25, M30, N35 and M40. Question number 201. Which of the following grade is not recommended by IS 456 1978? That is M55. Option D is the right answer. Question number 202. The concrete mix of grade M25 means the compressive strength of 15 cm cubes at 28 days after mixing is 25 Newton per millimeter square. Option C is the right answer. Question number 203. The test conducted in the laboratory on the specimen made out of trial concrete mix is called preliminary test. Option A is the right answer. Question number 204. In performing a preliminary test, option A, the molds are required for test specimens should be rigid. Right. Option B, the mix should be stored in airtight containers. Right. Option C, the aggregate should be dry. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 205. After molding, the test specimens of trial mix are placed at a temperature of 27 plus minus 2 degrees Celsius. Option D is the right answer. Question number 206. In order to prepare a test specimen, it is necessary to, option A, mix the cement and fine aggregate by dry hand. Right. Option B, mix the coarse aggregate. Right. Option C, mix water to cement fine aggregate and coarser aggregate. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. Question number 207. The ratio of different ingredients, cements and aggregates in concrete mix of grade M20 is 1:1.5:3. Option B is the right answer. Question number 208. The preliminary test is always conducted in the field. No, conducted in laboratory. Option B is the right answer. Disagree. Question number 209. In preliminary test, the concrete is placed in the mold in 3 layers of equal volume. Option B is the right answer. Question number 210. Each layer of concrete placed in the mold in preliminary test is compacted 25 times with a 20 mm diameter rod and 60 cm in length. No, the diameter of the rod is 16 mm and length is 60 cm. So option B is the right answer for this question. Question number 211. The preliminary test should be repeated if the difference of compressive strength of 3 test specimen exceeds 1 Newton per millimeter square. Option B is the right answer. Question number 212. For mass concrete in piers and abutments, the grades of concrete mixed used is 1:3:6. Option D is the right answer. Question number 213. In performing the work test, option A, the mold for test specimens should be made for non-absorbent material. Right. Option B, the mold should be conducted in such a way that there is leakage of water from test specimen during molding. Option C, the base plate of the mold should be of non-absorbent material. Right. Option D is the right answer. All of the above. So question number 214. For highly loaded columns, the concrete mix used proportion is 1:1:2. Option A is the right answer. Question number 215. The correct proportioning of various gradients of concrete largely depends on bulking of sand, water content, absorption. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 216. If the proportion of different ingredients, cements and aggregate are in the ratio of 1:2:4, then the grade of concrete is M15. Option B is the right answer. Question number 217. If 30% excess water is added, the strength of concrete is reduced by 50%. Option C is the right answer. Question number 218. The finer the sand, the greater is the bulkage. Option A is the right answer because it has more surface area. Question number 219. The concrete in which preliminary tests are performed for designing the mix is called rich concrete. Option A is the right answer. Question number 220. The maximum quantity of aggregate per 50 kg of cement should not exceed 450 kg. Option D is the right answer. Question number 221. The minimum quantity of cement to be used in the control concrete is specified as 220 kg per meter cube. Option C is the right answer. Question number 222. The concrete in which no preliminary tests are performed for designing the mix is called ordinary concrete. Option D is the right answer. Question number 223. The ordinary concrete is not used for M40 grade of concrete mix. Option D is the right answer. Question number 224. The controlled concrete is used for 1 grade of concrete mix. 2 grade. Option A, 1 grade of concrete mix. Right. Option B, 3 grades of concrete mix. Right. Option C, 5 grades of concrete mix. Option D is the right answer. All 7 grades of concrete mix. Question number 225. The water used for ordinary concrete is equal to the 5% by weight of aggregate plus 30% by weight of cement. Option C is the right answer. Question number 226. For reinforced cement concrete, lintel and slabs, nominal size of coarse aggregate should not exceed 15 mm. Option B is the right answer. 15 to 25 mm for RCC members and 10 to 20 mm for PCC members. Question number 2 to 7. Which of the following proportion of different ingredients of concrete mix conform to the arbitrary method of mixing? 1:4:8. Option C is the right answer. Question number 2 to 8. The factor which affects the design of concrete mix is finance modulus, mortar cement ratio, slump. Option D is the right answer. All of these. Question number 2 to 9. In arbitrary mix method, the coarse aggregates are taken twice the fine aggregate. Option A is the right answer. True. Question number 230. The percentage of fine aggregate to the combined aggregate P is obtained by relation. C is the right answer. X minus Z divided by Z minus Y into 100. Where X, Y, Z is the finance modulus of coarse, fine and combined aggregates respectively. Question number 231. In order to obtain the required workability, the minimum quantity of water to be added to the fine and coarse aggregate is determined by the relation. Option A is the right answer. W by C into P equal to 0.3 P plus 0.1 Y plus 0.01 Z, where W by C is the water cement ratio, P is the quantity of cement by weight, Y is the quantity of fine aggregate by weight, and Z is the quantity of coarse aggregate by weight. Question number 232. If 50 kg of fine aggregates and 100 kg of coarse aggregates are mixed in a concrete whose water cement ratio is 0.6, weight of water required for harsh mix is. We know the relation W by C into P equal to 0.3 P plus 0.1 Y plus 0.01 Z, where W by C is the water cement ratio, P is the quantity of cement by weight, Y is the quantity of fine aggregate by weight, and Z is the quantity of coarse aggregate by weight. So if we put the value in that equation, we will get the quantity of cement equal to 20 kg, and we know the water cement ratio equal to 0.6. So from this relation we can get the weight of water, that is 0.6 into 20 equal to 12 kg. Option C is the right answer. Question number 233. The number of bags of cement required per cubic meter of 1:2:4 concrete will be approximately 5 to 6. Option D is the right answer, and the number of bags of cement will be equal to 1.54 into 1 by 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to quantity of cement, and that is divided by 0.0347 will give the number of bags of the cement. Question number 234. A mix of water cement ratio of 0.78 is termed as wet mix. Option A is the right answer. Question number 235. The Indian Standard Code specifies that the crushing strength for which the mix should be designed in the laboratory should be 1.25 times the strength actually required. Option A is the right answer. Question number 236. In Voigt's method of determining the quantity of cement paste, it is assumed that the option A, voids in the coarse aggregate are filled up by the fine aggregates, right? Option B, volume of fine aggregates required for 1 cubic meter of coarse aggregate is equal to the total voids in the coarse aggregate plus 10% aggregate extra to allow for additional voids created by wedging action, right? Option C, volume of specimen paste required for 1 cubic meter of coarse aggregate is equal to the total volume of voids in the fine aggregate plus 15% aggregate extra to allow for additional voids created by wedging action, right? Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 237. The workability of concrete mix increases with the increase of moisture content, right? Option A is the right answer, agree. Question number 238. The importance of storing the various ingredients of concrete is. Option A, to maintain the uniformity of grading, right? Option B, to maintain the uniformity of moisture, right? Option C, to maintain the strength of materials. No, that is not correct for storing. Option D is the right answer, both A and B. Question number 239. The main requirement which a warehouse should fulfill is that its wall should be waterproof masonry construction. Option A is the right answer. Question number 240. The term warehouse pack means pressure compaction of bags on lower layers. Option C is the right answer. Question number 241. To prevent the cement bags from any possible contact with moisture, the main point that should be kept in mind is that. Option A, the space between the exterior walls and piles should be 30 cm, right? Option B, the cement bags should be placed closer together in the piles, right? Option C, width and height of the pile should not exceed 3 meter and 2.7 meter respectively, right? Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 242. In designing a warehouse, it is assumed that. Option A, each bag contains 50 kg of cement, right. Option B, floor area occupied by one bag of cement 0.3 meters square, right. Option C, height of each cement bag contains 35 liters of cement is 0.18 meter, right. Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 243. The first in first out rule should be applied when the cement bags are to be removed from the warehouse. Option A is right answer, true. Question number 244. Which of the following statement is wrong? Number A, if the height of the pile exceeds 1.44 meter, the cement bag should be arranged in header and stretcher fashion, right. Option B, the cement bag should be rolled on the floor when it is taken out for use, right. Option C, the strength of cement decreases with passage of time, right. So option D is the right answer, none of the above. Question number 245. The capacity of a warehouse depends upon option A, floor area occupied by the one bag of cement, right. Option B, height to which the cement bags are piled. Option B, right. So question number D is the right answer, option both option A and B. Question number 246. If the effective plan area of a warehouse is 54 meter square and maximum height of pile per meter is 2.7 meter, then the number of cement bags to be stored is 54 into 2.7 divided by 0.3 into 0.18, that is equal to 2700 number of cement bags. Option D is the right answer. Question number 247. The process of proper and accurate measurement of all concrete materials for uniformity of proportion and aggregate grading is called batching. Option D is the right answer. Question number 248. The importance of batching is to obtain strength, workability, durability. Option D is the right answer, all of this. Question number 249. Weight batching is done by option A, spring dial scale, right. Option B, platform weighing machine, right. Option C, portable weight batchers, right. Option D is the right answer, all of this. Question number 250. When the batching of material is done by weight, option A, the bucket in which the material is to be weighed should be cleaned thoroughly, right. Option B, the weighing machine should be leveled before placing the material, right. Option C, the chart should be prepared indicating the weight of each material used for different strength of concrete, right. Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 251. For batching 1:2:4 concrete mix by volume, the ingredients required per bag of cement are, option B is the right answer, 50 kg of cement, 70 liters of fine aggregate and 140 liters of coarse aggregate. Question number 252. For measuring aggregates by volume, wooden batch boxes known as farmers are used. Option A is right answer, correct. Question number 253. For measuring 50 liters of aggregate, the inner dimension of a pharma should be 31 centimeter into 31 centimeter into 52 centimeter. Option D is the right answer. Question number 254. The finished concrete is measured in liters. No, finished concrete meters in volume, that is cubic meter. Question number 255. The mixture which produces a steady stream of concrete as long as it is in operation is known as continuous mixture. Option C is the right answer. Question number 256. The process of mixing, transporting, placing and compacting the cement concrete should not take more than 30 minutes. Option A is the right answer. Question number 257. For continuous transportation of concrete, the method used is transport of concrete by belt concrete conveyors. Option C is the right answer. Question number 258. For concreting of tunnel lining, the concrete is transported by pumps. Option A is the right answer. Question number 259. The concrete can be lifted by pumps through a maximum vertical distance of 50 meters. Option D is the right answer. Question number 260. In transportation of concrete by pumps, option A, the slam should not be less than 50 mm and more than 80 mm, right. Option B, the water cement ratio should remain between 0.5 to 0.65, right. Option C, the number of bends in a pipeline should be as small as possible, right. Option D is right answer, all of the above. Question number 261. The diameter of the pipeline used for transportation of concrete by pump should not exceed 30 cm. Option C is the right answer. Question number 262. To prevent segregation, the concrete should not be thrown from a height of more than 1 meter. Option B is the right answer. Question number 263. The placement of concrete should be discontinued during any period. Option A is the right answer. Question number 264. The concrete should be laid continuously in order to prevent the formation of irregular and unsightly lines. Option A is the right answer. Question number 265. The placing of concrete should start widthwise in reinforced cement concrete slabs from one end. Option A is the right answer, true. Question number 266. The process of consolidating concrete mix after placing it in position is termed as compaction. Option C is the right answer. Question number 267. When the concrete mix is too wet, it causes segregation, low density, excess leachings at the top. Option D is the right answer. all of these. Question number 268, the object of compaction is to option A eradicate air holes, right? Option B give maximum density, right? Option C ensure intimate contact between the concrete and the surface of the reinforcement, right? Option D is the right answer, all of the above. Question number 269, the factor which affect the quality of compaction is density of concrete, strength of concrete, durability of concrete. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 270, for compacting large section of mass concrete in structures, the type of vibrator used is internal vibrator. Option A is the right answer. Question number 271, for compacting plain cement, plain concrete or one-way reinforced concrete floors, the vibrator used is screed vibrator. Option B is the right answer. Question number 272, the slump should not exceed 50 mm when compacting concrete with vibrators. Option A is the right answer. Agree. Question number 273, when vibrators are used for compaction, the consistency of concrete depends upon the type of mix, placing condition, efficiency of vibrator. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 274, if the slump of concrete mix is less than 50 mm, then while compacting it with vibrators, the segregation will not take place. Option A is the right answer. Question number 275, which of the following statement is correct while compacting concrete with vibrators? Option C is the right answer. The vibrators should not touch the form surface. Question number 276, the leveling operation that removes humps and hollows and give a true and uniform concrete surface is called screeding. Option A is the right answer. Question number 277, the final operation of finishing concrete surface is called troweling. Option C is the right answer. Question number 278, the process of removing irregularities from the surface of the concrete left after screeding is called floating. Option A is the right answer, correct. Question number 279, the troweling should be finished on the same day of its laying operation. Option A is the right answer. Question number 280, the process of hardening the concrete mixes by keeping its surface moist for a certain period is called curing. Option B is the right answer. Question number 281, the object of curing is to option A prevent the loss of water by evaporation, right? Option B reduce the sinkage of concrete, right? Option C preserve the properties of concrete, right? Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 282, after the curing of 28 days the concrete gains strength up to 99%, nearly. Option C is the nearer. Option C is the right answer, 100%. Question number 283, proper curing of cement concrete is good at its volume, stability, strength, or resistance. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 284, under normal circumstances the beam soffits may be removed after 7 days. Option B is the right answer. Question number 285, vertical sides of column may be stripped after 1 to 2 days. Option A is the right answer. Question number 286, in concrete walls construction joint should be provided at the floor level, soffit level of lintel, seal level of the windows. Option D is the right answer, all of these. Question number 287, the construction joints in cement concrete should not be provided at the corners. Option C is the right answer. Question number 288, the construction joints are generally provided in the concrete roads, retaining walls, lining of tunnels. Option D is the right answer, all of this. Question number 289, the most useless aggregate is whose surface texture is glossy. Option B is the right answer. Question number 290, the bulk density of aggregates depend upon its shape, grading, compaction. Option D is the right answer, all of these.